There's no dead bodies, just tulips. There are so many faces. So many. Okay, this is the chicken situation. We have an indeterminate number of chickens because we adopted the chickens from the previous owner. Hello, chickens. Chicken hello. You may remember the fluffy ones as mine from before. All of them big bastards. I don't even know what they are. There's so many. There's at least 5 different breeds. And mine are so small compared to theirs. But it's awesome. We have lots of eggs now. Hello, chickens. Hello. That one likes me because I found her trapped in a box and I rescued her. So we kind of have a deal. Okay. Yeah. Chickens. Chickens. This is the salad herb garden. Some carrots are coming up, some dill maybe. This is mostly spinach and salads. The spinach has woken up, but the salads haven't yet. The greenhouse is super gross, but it's okay. I'm not going to open it because it's a pain, but a bunch of brassicas that I just seeded way too heavily have now taken off, and things are happening, and I will need someone to water that. And then in the back there, I've got beets and some cabbage starts for the field once I feel confident that I have prepped it enough to plant things out. And then I'll put hoop houses over because there's a lot of wild birds. That's the entertainment greenhouse, because that's a thing. The blueberries are coming out of dormancy, and nothing looks like it died. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fruit this year on the, oh, I accidentally bought a blueberry farm. Because I accidentally bought a blueberry farm. If it has dirt, it has been planted, which is banana pants. Okay. So tulips and dahlias and ranunculus. Here is a mix of tulips. There is a rainbow of tulips starting from red going to purple. There's no green and blue. There's just a bunch of different orange, yellow, and purple. And then there is, oh, and orange dahlias in there too, because my son wanted dahlias. This is another mix of tulips and ranunculus, so we will see. The rest of this is going to be flowers too, but there'll be seeds that I'll let the kids sprinkle and plant. And then back there behind the high tunnel, where there's just kind of a barren piece of land, not barren, just grass, a little field, is where I'm going to build a sunflower maze for my kids, because I'm a weirdo who's going to build a sunflower maze. It's super windy. That mound here is where I think was a compost pile from the previous owner, and so I dug out the topsoil from here to move over there. Could not be further away from where it needs to be if I tried. But yeah, I did maybe 1/10 of that to top the 2 beds that are like broken in a little bit. So I think that's going to be enough soil to finish the rest of the beds and maybe fill in the squash channel. Oh, this is happening. It's real. Okay, thanks for watching.